Hello everyone, and let me walk you through with a new extension created by the CRM Carpenters to help you move your line data items in and out of the CRM module records in just few clicks. So meet the advanced subform import and export extension. Where managing subform in data CRM just got a whole lot easier. So the extension adds two powerful buttons right inside your record view, up here in the top right action section, one for export and one for import. So that's it. No complicated setup, no extra steps. And the best part, it works with all default modules and other custom modules in your CRM. Okay, now let's start with exporting. Click the export subform data button here, and a pop-up window opens where you can select any subform from available in this module. Go ahead and choose what you want to need and what matters to you. So in this case, I'll select this product sales tracker. Now here where it gets flexible, you can toggle individual columns on and off, only to export the data what you prefer to export. So in also here's a handy feature where you can rename these column names, and also you can drag them into order what you want before exporting. So you have the full control over how your spreadsheet will look when it's converted into attachments. So next, give your file a name in the file name field. So let's name as product report, and click export and upload to attachment. And so you will see a success confirmation right away. So hit the refresh now to reload the page. And your subform data is now saved as a then downloadable spreadsheet right in the record attachment section. So this is how it will look like. So there you have it. So this spreadsheet is ready to be downloaded right here for different formats itself. So let's get back to the record, and now let's talk about importing. Click the import subform data button. Just like exporting, you'll first select the subform you want to inform data into. So let's select back the product sales tracker, and then you'll be prompted to upload your spreadsheet file. So just click choose a file and select this um, Excel file. So once uploaded, the extension walks you through the mapping your spreadsheet columns to correct the CRM subform fields so your data lands exactly where it should be. So in here, created time issue. So issue will be so this side shows the column data from your uploaded file. So issue is for issue, and software ID is for software ID, transaction type to transaction, and let's map the other ones. We can leave this one because we already have here the software ID and the software ID, and I think we have completed the map fields. And so looking back here in the left side, where the import modes will prompt you to choose overwrite entire subform or append rows. So mm, at this moment we will try the append rows. So when we select the append rows, it will keep the existing rows from the current uh, subform data, and it will add new ones to the next empty rows. So let's try to import it out, and this will preview the import setup and will give you some time to review to finalize the data columns that you're about to import, and let's continue to import. Just click the refresh now button to reload the page. And looking at the subform, the product sales tracker is now updated with new ones that we have imported. So you can see the new rows that contains different datas. And what about if we're going to import subform data using this import mode? So we choose this import mode and select the subform again, the same subform. So what we are expecting to happen is it will overwrite the whole or the entire subform. So let's choose the file and select this one. So from here again, we will map the data from the uploaded file and cross with the CRM field. So let's select the software ID, the transaction type to transaction, and the software name to software name, and the SKU and the date. So in here, this tab shows the complete number of column data in your Excel versus to the CRM field. So, and in here it shows the tab that uh, composes with a field that we haven't mapped. So these are the total number of maps, and in here this will be the tab that shows the manually map column data. So let's import it out and let's see what will happen. So here it will preview us to finalize the data that we are about to import, and let's continue to import and refresh now. And there you have it, just in an instant it it erases all the existing data and overwrites with a new set of column data and row data. So here I want to also show you that it also accepts multi-select fields. So right here, this one issue is a multi-select. So if your Excel sheet composes of a list in that column data, the subform uh, data extension for exporting and importing accepts that kind of column data. And that's the advanced subform import and export extension for SOHO CRM, built to make your workflows faster, simpler, and more efficient. So, ready to get started? Install the extension and experience it for yourself. From the CRM Carpenters, we build tools that work as hard as you do. Thank you for watching this video.